Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Kicking it in the garage. We got a super stormy day here in Northern California, but it's alright, it's a little cold. Today we're going to be seeking redemption from last time in our attempts to lower our daily 2004 Toyota Matrix XRS. Last time we tried installing some ground control coilover sleeves on some Bilstein struts, which was an epic failure. Today, we're going to try to redeem ourselves by installing BC Racing coilovers. We're going to unbox them, install them, hopefully everything fits and I won't have to run these spacers. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's open this guy up. Let's see how we start. Come on, Blade. I'd say the packaging is pretty secure. I ordered was the BCBR series coilovers, so yes, it is their entry-level coilover. Really wanted the DS series, but then, you know, I think about it, Matrix has solid rear view suspension. Can I really benefit from the DS? I don't know. And also got a couple other surprises coming up. You guys got to stay tuned to find out what that's about. Alright, looking down at what you get in the packaging. Open this guy up. Alright, okay. Looks like we got an instruction manual. Comes with a warranty. Made for the 03-08 Matrix. Not a lot of people make parts for this car, you know, as I've been told. Get a real car! I love this thing. Packaging, bubble wrap, rear setup right here. I didn't expect this. It came with end links. I had an extra set of adjustable end links that I thought I would have to end up using, but I guess I won't need them. There's a front one. Oh, they don't look too bad. Take another look here in a minute. So BCBR coilovers, they're gonna come with, like I said, we got the instruction, our front shocks, our rear shocks, new sway bar end links. You get some spanner wrenches and an Allen key. Some nice touches that I think are pretty cool for a set coming in at like $1,000. Advertise this 32-way simultaneous rebound and shock damping. I'm about to open this up and see if there's like a shock dyno in here, which would be really impressive for, you know, coilover set that's right around $1,000. I've had BCs in the past on my 2006 IS350, and I really like them. I didn't have any real complaints. Nice touches on this particular set comes with adjustable camber plates for the front. The rears are clearly marked left and right, so hopefully I don't mess that up while I'm installing these. But that's out the way. That's enough talking. Let's get these guys installed. Let's roll. One thing additionally that kind of caught my attention before we begin here was this is designated for my vehicle, you know, 2003, 2008 Matrix. Mine's an 04. Kind of a red flag that's popping up for me here is these holes look like they might be too small to accommodate the Matrix strut tower bolts. I'm hoping that's not the case, and I hope I won't have to modify these the same way I had to modify my Bilsteins. But that would suck if I have to do that. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Eyeballs did not deceive me. Here we have a Matrix strut tower bolt. It doesn't fit. So, kind of like what I expected. This bolt is about 11/16 of an inch. I bought this from last time. You can pick this up at Harbor Freight or any hardware store. There's markings on here, so I'm going to take it to the 11/16 on each one of these holes very carefully and as straight as I can until we can get this bolt barely through. Obviously I don't want any like excessive play. I'm going to accommodate a little bit for when they settle in, so I'm going to go a little bit higher. And when I lock these, I want to make sure I orient the camber plates horizontal to the center line of the car. So I got to make sure these strut tower bolts are facing the right way and my camber plates are oriented correctly. I put the wheels on, I cleared that shock body by about literally 3 millimeters. I'm feeling pretty good about this one. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we got everything torqued to spec, wheels are on, all our strut tower bolts are good. Judging by how this looks, I have a feeling we're going to fall right, kind of like where my target is. Let's see how this turns out. See, dropping it down for the first time. Let's do it. Stuck on the jack. Sheesh. Ooh, we hit our goal. Look at that wheel gap. My jack is now stuck under the car. I'm officially low again. All right. Finally installed the rears. I just did it off camera. Mainly because I kind of just wanted to get this done, but the installation is pretty straightforward. There's a little spacer included with the rears, supposed to be used for the inside of your rear subframe, and to give you clearance so that shock tower is not hitting that rear subframe. What mainly took a minute was, lifting the car up and down a bunch of times to get the right height, just right. I kept going up, up 5 millimeters, back 3 millimeters, let it settle. But I think I got it sitting now to where it's pretty much at a slight positive rake. I still want to keep this daily drivable and be able to use the hatch and load stuff up in it. Overall, got high hopes for these coilovers, aside from the small things you gotta do, like boring out the strut bolt holes, little quirks like that, but I guess that comes with driving something that no one makes parts for. Anyways, got my alignment scheduled for tomorrow morning. Hopefully we can dial this in and update you guys later and see how it handles. Until then, keep driving them slow cars fast. Pass on the death.